everybody, and welcome to today's cryptocurrency video. It's your guy here, the old coin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis, even for your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button. Click on the subscribe button as we would be bringing you all the analysis on all your favorite crypto. And without further ado, today we would be looking at Jasmy, and I'll be showing you a lot of reasons why I believe there is an extreme danger and an extreme huge dump that is coming for Jasmy. Stick with me here, and I'll be telling you my thesis and why I believe we could see a huge dump in price for Jasmy. Now, we are on the weekly time frame for Jasmy versus the US dollars, and Binance is the data source. And as you can see, this is way on the weekly. And as you can see, Jasmy got a huge rejection at one of our EMAs. And if we pull up our money flow, as you can see, a lot of money has begun to leave the Jasmy ecosystem. If we push over to the daily gives us a lot of insight as to what we should be expecting. As you can see, this is what I call the EMA ribbons. Now, what the EMA ribbons do is that the EMA ribbons follows the price, right? So whatever price is doing at every period of time, as you can see, the EMA ribbon tends to follow price. And as you can see, the price of Jasmy has been in some sort of a downward trend. And as you can see, for some of you that has been with us, you will know that we cut the bottom for Jasmy, because all our indicators were showing that we were getting to some kind of bottom for Jasmy. Now, the same indicators are showing and are telling us that we probably could see a huge dump in the price of Jasmy to about how many percent? We could see a huge 25% dump in the price of Jasmy, and I'll be telling you more reasons why we could see this huge dump. First, we said every single time price came above the EMA ribbons on the daily, we were very bullish on the price of Jasmy. And every single time our price came below the EMA ribbons, it means price was bearish, and as you can see, the price is already moving down. So we should be expecting some sort of a 26% dump in the price of Jasmy anytime soon. Also, if we look at this chart, this is another chart for the Jasmy versus the US dollars, and on this chart we have what we call our bullish trend. As you can see, our bullish channel, every single time we were above the channel, as you can see, we were bullish, and every single time we were below the channel, we were bearish, right? As you can see, the price of Jasmy has come below the channel, has retested the channel, and as you can see, we are pushing downwards. The last time we came below the channel, the last time we came above the channel, as you can see, we had a huge push to the upside, a huge push of about how many percent right now? We had a huge push of about 1,000%, right? And as you can see, what happened when we came below the channel, we saw a huge dump in the price of Jasmy. The same thing is currently happening. As you can see, that Jasmy has already come below the channel, and we are retesting it on the 3 days time frame. Also, if we bring up some of our indicators, as you can see, the RSI is actually strongly pushing to the downside. As you can see, also the stochastic telling us that we probably could see a bounce but something of some sort could happen like this where the stochastics could stay down for a long time. So I'm not betting on that price will bounce. So we probably could still see a huge push to the downside, even for the price of Jasmy. If we go down to the daily time frame, as you can see, the daily time frame price is already below our channel, and as you can see, every time price came below our channel, we have seen a huge dump to the downside. Same thing with our indicators. As you can see, our RSI is still pushing to the downside. And as you can see, our stochastic are still ranging at the downside. If we come over to this chart also, as you can see, this chart contains the altcoin doctor's indicator, buy sell indicator, and it shows us where to buy and to sell. As you can see, Jasmy has been on a huge downtrend down on the weekly, and as you can see, we cut the bottom with some of these indicators, and now as you can see, we have just retested the indicator and are pushing down. So we probably could expect a huge push to the downside even for Jasmy, as we said from the beginning. We have just retested our indicator on the weekly, so we could see some downside, probably even of about 20 to 25%. If we switch over to the daily, as you can see, the daily gives us a better hint as to what is happening. And this was one of the very huge reasons that made us understand or catch the bottom even for Jasmy. And we knew that Jasmy was very bullish. And as you can see, we were having some sort of support at this range, and so we knew that if price was able to hold this support, we could see another huge push to the upside. And as you can see, price held the support, and we pushed as high as 200% in the price for Jasmy. And now our indicator just turned bearish, as you can see, and we have been pushing down since then. And so we have a potential support currently at the 0.0048 region, but I wouldn't count on it, right? As we could invariably just flip go below this support, right? And so this is the only last hope for Jasmy, right? If for any reason we're able to hold this support, then we could see a bounce. But probably if we can't hold this support, we should be expecting some huge push to the downside, even for Jasmy on the medium to long term. Also, if we bring up our oscillator, as you can see, our oscillator is still pushing down to the downside, even on the daily, and on the weekly we're having some very huge bearish divergence, as you can see. So I wouldn't bet on it, as we probably could see some very huge push to the downside even for Jasmy. So you want to be very careful, as we should be expecting probably further push to the downside even for Jasmy. If you like the analysis, you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.